this 20-hour drive should be fun.
It's just not turning over.
Getting it up on the tow truck. You gotta take off the rails because the truck's too wide. She's big. Got her all loaded up. Barely fits. Hangs off the edges. Everybody in Texas is gonna be very confused. Well, not really. Most of the show trucks are on trailers, but now we're off to the Ford dealership to hopefully get her fixed. There's a Ford GT. That's all. You like it? We just got done eating at IHOP. And there's a nice truck in the hotel parking lot. I wish I had my truck to go take pictures next to. Oh. We've realized that our lives revolve around that truck, and my life is over right now. Good morning, everybody. So here's what we got going on. I just got a call from the Ford dealership. They said my truck is ready, so they're sending a shuttle over to pick me up from the hotel that I stayed at overnight. The guy that worked on my truck, he stayed all night, got it knocked out, so I can get on the road this morning. It's like 10 o'clock right now. So getting over there, then I'm going to tell you guys the whole story about what is going on with the truck, or what went wrong with the truck, and then we'll get on the road back to Illinois. Got the keys. Woo. Man. Forgot how clean she looked. Oh yeah. Shout out to Dello Ford for getting her all fixed up. Texas traffic on Boggers. Fun. anyone that's wondering, this is how bright the Alpha Rex headlights are at night. Now, my windshield is tinted like 20%, so that's the normal headlights. That's with the brights, and then that's with my bumper lights, but we don't count that.
You can see less on camera.
Yeah.
You can see a lot more than you do.
Yeah. It's actually really bright. The brightest headlights I've ever had. We're in Little Rock right now after this bridge. Little Rock. We're about 700 or 600 miles away from home. It's gonna be like 8 hours and 45 minutes without stopping. So we're like halfway there.
It's going a lot smoother than coming here.
Actually, yeah. I had my Monster, so shout out to Monster. Keeping me awake the whole time.
Yep.
Of course, right when I start recording, the roads get bumpy, but like driving most of the way here, if the roads
It's
are
been smooth.
It's
Yeah.
really nice. Like, you don't feel any bumps. Like, these tires ride a lot smoother than the Furies did.
Yeah.
Is that the White House? Trump! Hi! It looks like the White House. Jesus. Oh, wow. What the heck? I think we passed on. Was that like a church or something? We passed on the way here. And
I
was like,
have
what the
no
heck?
idea.
That's
At least in Texas, everyone agrees with the Second Amendment.
Yeah. Filling up the Prius, diesel truck for the second time this trip. Got donuts, other snacks.
I got a wrap.
She got a wrap, but not the wrap that you want. And yeah, hanging out. It's a good time. We've got like 8 hours left. Haven't actually used as much fuel as I thought I was going to. I expect these boggers to be super loud, and it was going to be a pain to drive, and I was going to get -3 miles per gallon, but they're actually pretty decent. I'm really impressed. So if you're thinking about getting boggers, I would say do it. Also, they make the truck look insane. So just had that guy pull up. He said he had a full tank of gas. He saw the truck, so he had to pull over to see what's going on. He doesn't know who I am, but he does know now, so he's pretty cool. He knows CJ on 32s and CJ So Smooth and everything, so yeah, pretty cool.
Does he know me? I'm cooler than you.
He probably knows you. He probably doesn't know me, but he knows you. But yeah, he's super chill. He likes the truck. He was like, man, pictures don't do it justice. So shout out to this guy. Nice hanging out with you. And he has something loud.
That is very much.
So we're gonna get back on the road now. Whoop whoop. Well, now we're somewhere in Missouri, and it's blizzarding. But yeah, it doesn't even help. Blizzard, terrible.
Back to roads like Illinois, I guess.
Did not miss them.
Nope.
No. I did not miss that. You, sir. I'm mad at you.
Stop doing your job.
And after 24 hours of driving,
I can't do it anymore!
we're finally home, pretty much. Right over there. So, yeah.
It's been a long year.
It's been a long year. Oh, I've missed your truck. Got Kaylee's truck all started up. This is what Cardi B looks like. The aftermath of driving 1,000 miles. She's dirty. I'll get her washed up soon. It's good to be back. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.